Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and this is the Hero 11 Black Series. And I do like this little GoPro a lot. As you saw from the video, it does have some new standout features. And one of them is this new battery, which is supposed to last a little bit longer. Now, it may last a little bit longer, but if you're using it in hyperview mode, I recommend getting two batteries. Okay, let's talk about this suction cup mount. I picked up this suction cup mount so I could do the car shots, and it's terrible. It does not gimbal, so when you put it on, like I mounted it on the window on the car, see how we have a gimbal here on the top of this suction cup mount? Well, this makes it a lot easier. I mean, basically, I have an infinite amount of adjusting. I was having trouble getting it level with the GoPro mount. So I don't recommend that mount at all. I don't understand why they don't have, the little gimbal socket there so you can adjust it, perfectly, so you can get it perfectly level. I don't understand the theory behind that. I mean, everything else about it works great. So all in all, I got to say, I do like this GoPro 11 quite a bit. Every year they keep improving them and they get better and better. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.